Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. My name's Stu, I'm from Main Street Mower, and parked next to me is a Toro stump grinder. This is their biggest one. This is the STX model 38. It has a 38 horsepower Kohler and it has a 21-inch spinning head. The way a stump grinder works is it has carbide teeth here on this big drum head, and it's powered by hydraulics, and it gets spinning really fast, and those teeth start gnawing away at this stump, and then this arm sweeps back and forth. And I can go all the way down 18 inches into the ground to eliminate all of the base of this stump. And it's really easy to use. This is something that we rent and something that we sell. A lot of customers will rent this and use it to do 5 or 6 stumps in a customer's yard. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is to operate. And we're going to grind this stump. So we're going to show you how it works too. All right, so you have a key switch. We all know how that works. You have a throttle. This slows your engine down or speeds it up. And when you're grinding a stump, you're gonna wanna be full throttle. You need all the power you can get running that hydraulics to the head. This is your steering, and it's very intuitive and easy to operate. This is gonna move the tracks and move this machine around. It is capable of ripping up your yard, so you want to go in straight lines whenever possible. And then this is your controls for your stump grinder head. So once you're in place, you move over to here, you squeeze and you press this button to get your head spinning, and then you use the joystick like you would imagine. You lower the head down until you start to feel the stump, and you'll see chips flying. You don't want to go too deep, maybe 1 to 2 inches deep, and then you bring your hand from side to side and you'll sweep the arm. This machine has a feature called Intelli-Sweep that will not let you overpower it or oversweep the head. It will kind of take over controls of your sweep and not let you go faster than the motor can keep up with. Ready? We're gonna grind a stump now. All right guys, what do you think? It looks like a big scary animal, but you could see that it's pretty simple to use. In 10 minutes of playing around and practice, you could be quite proficient at it. This is something that we rent at all of our stores and we sell. It's a product that a lot of homeowners need. You have stumps in your backyard, this is the solution. If you have a tree service or a stump grinding service or even a landscaping business, could be great in your business. This is a great little product that pays for itself quickly. Hey, if you guys like our content, please like and subscribe and drop your comments in the comment section below. I answer those comments while I'm on the couch at like 10 o'clock at night, so it's me answering those comments. Any video ideas you have, drop them in there and chances are we'll try and make them. We have a lot of cool videos right now. We're getting close to 300 videos, and it's all fun stuff. Some of it's funny, some of it's science, some of it's comparative and testing. We got a lot more to come. So if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be sure to get the notification. Hey, if you want to see more of our content, I'm sure it's popping up on your screen now. Just click those and keep going, baby. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.